In a world where living spaces are becoming more compact and the need for organization is ever increasing, creative storage solutions have emerged as a vital aspect of modern home design. Imagine stepping into a home where every item has its place, where clutter is a distant memory, and where the chaos of daily life is kept at bay through innovative storage strategies. This is not just a dream, it is an achievable reality that can transform the way we interact with our living spaces. One of the first steps in maximizing space is to rethink traditional storage methods. Instead of relying solely on bulky furniture, consider multifunctional pieces. A coffee table that doubles as a storage chest can hold blankets, books, or board games, allowing for a tidy living room while providing a cozy atmosphere for family gatherings. Similarly, a bed with built-in drawers can eliminate the need for an additional dresser, freeing up valuable floor space and creating a serene bedroom environment. Vertical space is often underutilized, yet it holds immense potential. Installing shelves high up on walls can draw the eye upward, making a room feel larger while providing ample storage for books, decorative items, or plants. Floating shelves offer a sleek, modern look and can be arranged in various configurations to suit personal style. In kitchens, pegboards can transform a plain wall into a functional art piece, displaying pots, pans, and utensils in an organized manner. This not only saves cabinet space, but also adds a touch of creativity to the culinary space. In the realm of closets, innovative storage solutions can revolutionize how we manage our belongings. Consider using tiered hangers for scarves or belts, which can maximize hanging space while keeping items visible and accessible. Clear storage bins, labeled and stacked, can help maintain order, allowing you to find seasonal clothing or holiday decorations with ease. Additionally, incorporating a shoe rack that hangs over the door can keep footwear organized without taking up precious floor space. The bathroom is another area where creative storage can shine. Utilizing the space above the toilet for shelving can provide a stylish and practical solution for toiletries and towels. Magnetic strips can be affixed to the inside of cabinet doors to hold bobby pins, tweezers, and other small items, making them easy to find. A rolling cart can serve as a mobile storage unit, perfect for holding extra supplies or even serving as a makeshift bar cart for entertaining guests. In the realm of children's rooms, the challenge of keeping toys organized can seem daunting. However, innovative solutions can make this task manageable and even enjoyable. Consider using colorful bins or baskets that can be easily pulled out and put away, encouraging kids to participate in the tidying process. Wall-mounted racks for books or art supplies can keep items off the floor while showcasing their interests, fostering a sense of ownership over their space. The impact of effective storage solutions on daily life cannot be overstated. A well-organized home reduces stress and promotes a sense of calm. When everything has a designated spot, the time spent searching for misplaced items diminishes, allowing for a more efficient daily routine. Moreover, an organized space can enhance creativity and productivity, as a clutter-free environment encourages clear thinking and focus. Ultimately, embracing innovative storage solutions is about more than just aesthetics. It's about creating a lifestyle that values simplicity and functionality. By maximizing space and organization, we can cultivate homes that reflect our values and enhance our well-being. Whether through multifunctional furniture, creative use of vertical space, or clever closet organization, the possibilities are endless. As we continue to navigate the challenges of modern living, let us celebrate the art of storage and the profound impact it can have on our lives. In doing so, we not only create more functional spaces, but also foster a sense of harmony and peace within our homes.